In the last session we have discussed and you have given a simple equation how to solve by using the tried and error method. Now before going to the next exercise, we will solve the, if you have given a linear equation by the next method, which is the transposing method, and by not transposing method. So here let us consider one equation which is x plus 5 is equal to 10. Let us solve this equation by using the two methods, which is the firstly what is meant by the transposing method. The name itself says, all you know what is the meaning of trans is nothing but changing. So transposing is nothing but changing the position. Here you need to change one position such that you need to find the value of the x. So here if you want to change, what will it become? Here plus 5 is there. So if you change this one to minus 5, you are getting here x. So here this is nothing but the transposition. That means you are changing the position such that you are finding the value of the variable here. So here x is equal to 10. If you change plus 5, what will it become? It will go to the other side, it will become minus 5. So what you get? 10 minus 5, which gives you 5. This is nothing but the transposition method. That means you are changing the position of one number and we are taking that number to the other side such that it is changing their operation. Here plus is there. If it is going to the right hand side, what will it become? It will become minus. If minus is there, it will become plus. If division is there, it will become multiplication. And if multiplication is there, it will become division. So if you know all these things, you can change the position so that you can find the value of the variable. This is nothing but the transposition. That means changing the position of the variable or the number to the other side so that you are finding the value of the variable. This is nothing but the transposition method. And the next one, not transposing. That means you should not change the position. Without changing the position, you need to find the value of the variable. Let us consider the same equation, which is x plus 5 is equal to 10. So which is nothing but not changing the position. Here there is no need to change the position. Without changing the position, you need to find the value of the variable. So here plus 5 is there. Here what we need to find? First you have to remember what we need to find here. Here what we need to find? We need to find here the value of the x. So here x should be there. There is no need of plus 5 here. If you want to remove plus 5, what we need to do? We need to add minus 5. Right? So both sides you need to add minus 5. So that is here x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 10 minus 5. Here we are not changing any position here. Just here we need to find the value of the variable. So just imagine that if you want to find the value of the variable x here, what is the number which is left out here? Plus 5. So if you remove plus 5, you will get the value of the x. So how to remove plus 5? Just here plus 5 is there, you need to add minus 5 so that it will be removed. So here you know that plus 5 and minus 5 will get cancelled, or otherwise 5 minus 5 which gives you 0. So what will be left out here? X is equal to what is the value of 10 minus 5, which is 5. In both the cases you are getting the same value of the variable. In this case we are changing the position. Here without changing the position we are finding the value of the variable. This is the difference between the transposition and the not transposition. Now based on this one we are going to solve the next exercise. So see the next exercise, the first problem. Changing the position, you need to find the value of the variable. Let us see here the first question. X plus 5 is equal to 9. You need to find, solving the linear equation or solving the simple equation is nothing but you need to find the value of the variable. Here what is the variable here? X. So you have to find the value of the x here without changing the position. So here what we need to do? We need to find the value of the x. So what is the value? What is the value that is there here, which is plus 5? So you have to remove this plus 5. How value of the variable. Now see here one more question, the second question, which is y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. First you need to think here, without changing the position, how do you find? Here, for that, take the variable here, which is y. So what is the number that is left out here? It is minus 12. So you need to take this value, so that you get only the value of the variable. Here minus 12 is there. How to remove minus 12? If you add plus 12, then it will be removed. You will get 0. So write it here, find minus 12 plus 12. Since we are adding plus 12 to the left hand side, you need to add plus 12 to the right hand side also. Right? So here plus 12 and minus 12, which gives you 0. So that means these two we can get cancelled. So what is the left of here? Y is equal to, what is the value of 12 minus 5? Which is nothing but 7. This is nothing but the without transposing method. Now see the next question. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. Now here again you need to find the value of the variable x without changing the position. So how to solve this one? First here you need to find the value of the x. That means this should be removed. Here plus 4 is there. So what we need to do? You need to add minus 4. So add minus 4 here. What will get? 3x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 19 minus 4. So here again this 4 will get removed. So that what you are getting here, 3x is equal to 15. Here again we need to find the value of the variable which is x. That means what we need to remove here? We need to remove here 3. So if you want to remove here 3, what we need to do? Just you need to see the operation what we are doing here. What we are doing here? We are multiplying these two values. If you divide with 3, again these 3 will be removed. So here divide with 3. So what you get? 3x by 3 is equal to 15 by 3. Here 3 will be removed. So that what you are getting here, x is equal to 3 by 50. Like that you need to solve. Just you have to think which number is there that you have to remove. If you remove like that, you will get the value of the variable. So here, first if we remove here plus 4, what we have done? We have added minus 4. So on both sides, and this is removed. And after 3x is there. Now we need to remove this value. Here what we are doing the operation multiplication. So what we need to do? We need to divide. Which number? The same number you need to divide. So if you get cancelled, you are getting the value of x, which is 5. Now see the next problem, which is 9z is equal to 81. Here 9z is equal to 81. So you need to find the value of the z. So here, which value we need to remove here? We need to remove here 9. So what we are doing? We are doing here multiplication. So we need to divide. Which number we need to divide? The same number, which is 9. So divide it here. 9z by 9 is equal to 81 by 9. So here this 9 is cancelled. You will get here z, and here 9 9s are 81. You are getting the z value as 9. So here, this is the problem. Just you need to check which value you need to remove here. Now see the next question. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Here you can observe that in both the LHS and the RHS you can see here the variable. Now how to find the value of the variable x in this case? So that what we need to do here, first checking here, take one side. Let us take here either right hand side or the left hand side based on your wish. Take one side. I am checking this one. Here I need to find the value of the x. So here first what we need to do? I have to remove here plus 8. How do you remove plus 8? Just we need to add minus 8 on both sides. So here add is equal to 5x plus 2 minus 8. Right? So here plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled because you are getting the result as 0. So here you are getting here 3x is equal to 5x. You know that minus 8 and plus 2. What is the value of 8 minus 2, which is 6? Since here the bigger number minus symbol is there, you need to keep it here minus. So 5x minus 6. Now here what we need to do, we need to find the value of the x. So here we should not change the position. If you don't want to change the position here, we need to remove this also, because here if you remove this only, then you will get here only one x, so that you can find that x value. So here plus 3x is there. If you want to remove this one, what we need to do, you need to subtract minus 3x. So here add minus 3x on both sides. Minus 3x, 5x minus 3x minus 6. Again, what I am doing here, at this step, what we can do here, you can observe that in the LHS also x variable is there. In the RHS also you are seeing the x variable. So at this stage, what we need to do, we need to remove one, either on the LHS or on the RHS we need to remove the variable, so that you will get only one variable, you can find that variable. So I am removing this part. So since I have to here for the first, which is LHS, so if you want to remove here 3x, you need to subtract with minus 3x. So what is the value of 3x minus 3x? You know that which gives to 0 is equal to, what is the value of 5x minus 3x, which is 2x. So you are getting here 2x minus 6. Right? So you got it here 0 is equal to 2x minus 6. And now go for the RHS. Here you need to remove here minus 6. Right? If you remove here minus 6, you will get you will be remove the number. If you want to remove minus 6, what we need to do? We need to add plus 6 on both the sides. So add it here. 0 plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 6 plus 6. This 6 will get cancelled. And what you are getting here? You are getting here 6 is equal to 2x. At last you got the simple equation here. That means you got the very simple value. Now we need to find the value of the x. So which value we need to remove here? You need to remove here 2. So you need to check the operation here. What we are doing? We are multiplying those two values. So you need to divide those values. So divide with the same number, which is 2. So here 6 by 2 is equal to 2x by 2. Now here you can observe that this 2 will get cancelled, and 2 1s 2 3s. So what is the value of x in this case, which is 3. Like that you need to find the value of the variable. You can follow any of the process, just you need to remove the values so that you can find the value of x. You can go from this way also. First you can remove plus 2, so that you can have to add minus 2. And similarly you can remove plus 5. It's your decision. You can follow any of the procedure, but you need to remove the values so that you can find the value of the variable. So like this you need to solve it. Let us take the next question. If both are both the numbers are same. So here you will get here 4y minus 20. Now here what we need to do here, you need to find the value of the y. So here 4y, let us remove here 4y. If you remove 4y, you will get one number, right? So here I am removing 4y. So what we need to do, here plus 4y is there. I need to add minus 4y on both sides. So add it here, 4y minus 4y is equal to 4y minus 4y minus 20. Just I am adding minus 4y on both sides. So if I am adding, what I am getting here, 5y minus 4y, which gives you y. And here this 4y will get cancelled. And what is the number which is left out here? Minus 20. Like this you need to find the value of the y. So what I am doing here, I took this equation and I am finding the value of the y by removing the values. How I am removing here? First you need to check which value we need to remove here. Here plus 10 is there. So you need to add minus 10 on both sides. I have added here so that I got 5y is equal to 4y minus 20. Again, I need to remove one value. So I am taking here 4y, because if I remove this one, clearly why I am adding 4y, why I am subtracting 4y, because if you are subtracting this from 4y, you will get the value of the y clearly. So I am subtracting here 4y on both sides. If I subtract, I got the value which is y is equal to minus 20. Now see the next problem here. This is nothing but without transposing the method. That means without changing the position, we are finding the value of the variable. Now in the second question they are asking, solve the linear equation by transposing the terms. Now in this question, we need to change the position. By changing the position, we need to find the value of the variable. Now see questions here. Then the second question, first one, they have given 2 plus y is equal to 7. So here, what they are asking here, transposition by changing the position. You need to change the position and you need to find the value of the y. So here, let us change this position, plus